Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for the top-rated and most popular products on Amazon. I'm delighted to have you here with us today. In this video, we're diving into the world of finishing products, the essential items that add that perfect final touch to your projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or someone looking to enhance the beauty and durability of your work, this countdown will have something for you. Without further ado, let's get started on our countdown of the best-selling finishing products on Amazon. Stay tuned and let's find the perfect finish for your next masterpiece. Let's dive into our top 5 must-have finishing products on Amazon. And at number 5, we have the Adams Polishes Iron Remover. This 16-ounce powerhouse spray is the secret weapon for serious car enthusiasts and detailing aficionados. Iron particles, those sneaky culprits, can embed themselves into your vehicle's surface, leading to long-term damage. Simply using a clay bar isn't enough. It only tackles the surface deposits, leaving the hidden below-surface threats untouched. But fear not. Adams Iron Remover dives deep, targeting and eliminating those pesky iron contaminants. What sets this product apart? Well, first, it boasts a reduced scent, sparing your nose from the harsh, putrid odors typical of many iron cleansers. This formula is pH neutral, meaning it's gentle on your car's clear coat and single-stage paint. Plus, its rich orange color activates quickly on contact, transforming as it works without staining your trim like older formulas. Ease of use? Check! This remover is safe on all painted surfaces, including wheels. Just rinse your vehicle, spray on Adams Iron Remover, and watch the magic happen as your paint bleeds purple, signaling the iron deposits are being stripped away. A fresh citrus scent means you spend more time enjoying the detailing process and less time rushing to escape the fumes. So whether you're prepping your ride for a clay bar treatment, a fresh coat of wax, or just a thorough wash, Adams Polishes Iron Remover is your go-to solution for pristine, iron-free finishes. Now, let's talk about our number 4 pick on this countdown of the best-selling finishing products on Amazon. ER012 Super Safe Rust Remover. In the world of rust removers, this 128-ounce marvel stands tall, redefining what it means to be both effective and safe. Imagine a rust remover that works like magic, effortlessly eliminating rust from automotive parts, hardware, tools, cookware, and even antiques, without any scrubbing or sanding. That's exactly what EvapoRust delivers. No more tedious elbow grease, just sheer unadulterated efficiency. Why is this product a game changer? Let's start with its composition. This rust remover is non-toxic and water-based, making it not only incredibly effective but also remarkably safe. It's free from harmful acids, solvents, bases, odors, and fumes, ensuring that you can use it on automotive, household, and industrial-grade metal parts with complete peace of mind. Versatility is its middle name. EvapoRust tackles rust on all types of metals. Whether it's auto parts, tools, cast iron cookware, clocks, or grills, this non-corrosive formula has got you covered. Simply submerge your metal parts in the solution, let it work its magic, and then rinse with water. Follow up with a corrosion inhibitor to keep your items protected and rust-free. And the best part? It comes in a generous 1-gallon bottle, giving you plenty of rust-removing power for all your needs. So, whether you're restoring antique treasures or maintaining your essential tools, ER012 Super Safe Rust Remover is your reliable companion in the battle against rust. Rolling in at number 3 on our top-selling finishing products on Amazon is the 4PCS sticker, Carbon Fiber Anti-Scratches Car Door Cup Protector. This is more than just a protective measure. It's a stylish upgrade for your vehicle. Picture this. You reach for your car door handle, and instead of the usual scratches from fingernails, rings, or keys, you're greeted by a sleek, carbon fiber finish. These handle cup protectors not only shield your car from unsightly scratches, but also add a touch of elegance and modernity. Your car's exterior maintains its pristine look, projecting an image of meticulous care and attention. Durability? Absolutely. These stickers are water-resistant and tough. Feel free to wash your car without worry. When it's time to remove them, they come off cleanly. leaving no damage or sticky residue behind. That's convenience and peace of mind wrapped in one. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber self-adhesive material, these protectors are built to withstand extreme temperatures, from scorching summers to freezing winters. They won't fade, crack, or deform, no matter what nature throws at them. Your car handles remain protected and stylish all year round. Their universal fit, measuring 2.68 x 3.35 inches, ensures compatibility with most vehicles that have a pull-out handle design. Just make sure to check the shape and size of your car door handle cup before ordering. This precision fit means they blend seamlessly with your vehicle's design, enhancing its overall appearance. Included in the package are 4 carbon fiber stickers, enough to cover all the door handles of one car. Whether you're looking to protect your own ride or searching for a thoughtful gift for a car enthusiast, these stickers are the perfect choice. In summary, the 4PCS sticker, Carbon Fiber Anti-Scratches Car Door Cup. Protector offers a fusion of style, protection, and durability, making it an essential accessory for any car lover. Keep your car looking new, sleek, and sophisticated with this top-tier product. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling finishing products on Amazon? Well, don't let the rust settle, like subscribe and press the bell icon to keep your car care routine shiny and new. Securing the number 2 spot in our top 5 finishing products on Amazon is a household name that's synonymous with versatility and reliability. The WD-40 Original Formula, multi-use product with smart straw sprays 2 ways. This 8-ounce powerhouse, available in a convenient 3-pack, is an essential tool for anyone looking to tackle a variety of tasks with ease and efficiency. Moisture, the silent enemy of your electrical systems, stands no chance against WD-40. It drives out moisture, quickly drying out electrical systems to eliminate those pesky moisture-induced short circuits. Imagine a product that not only prevents these issues, but also acts as a corrosion inhibitor, shielding your precious items against rust and other corrosive elements. But the magic of WD-40 doesn't stop there. Ever struggled with sticky mechanisms or rusted parts? This formula is your ultimate ally. It frees sticky mechanisms, loosens rust-to-metal bonds, and helps release stuck, frozen, or rusted metal parts. Think of it as your mechanical problem solver, working tirelessly to ensure everything runs smoothly. The power of WD-40 extends even further. It gets under grease, grime, gunk, gum, tar, sap, superglue, sticker residue, and other sticky substances on multiple surfaces. No more struggling with stubborn residues. WD-40 makes cleanup a breeze, leaving your surfaces clean and residue-free. And let's not forget its lubricating prowess. WD-40 lubricates moving parts such as hinges, wheels, pulleys, rollers, chains, and gears, ensuring they operate smoothly and efficiently. It's the multitasking marvel that your toolbox has been missing. What sets this product apart is the Smart Straw feature, allowing you to spray in 2 ways. Need a precision stream to target a specific spot? You got it. Need a wide spray to cover larger areas? It's got you covered. This dual functionality makes it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. In conclusion, the WD-40 Original Formula, multi-use product with Smart Straw is not just a product, it's a solution. A trusted companion that tackles moisture, rust, sticky residues, and lubrication needs with unmatched efficiency. Equip yourself with this indispensable tool and experience the versatility and reliability that WD-40 brings to your finishing tasks. At the pinnacle of our top 5 best-selling finishing products on Amazon, we proudly present the Rust-Oleum 248658 Rust Reformer Spray. This 10.25-ounce marvel is the ultimate game-changer for anyone dealing with rusty metal surfaces. Imagine transforming a rusty, deteriorated surface into a sleek, flat black canvas, ready for a fresh coat of paint and protected from future rust. That's the magic of Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer Spray. It's not just a product, it's a revolution in rust management. The brilliance of this spray lies in its oil-based formula. It bonds with rusted surfaces, creating a robust layer that can be effortlessly painted. No more endless sanding, no more frustration. This unique formula saves you time and effort, allowing you to achieve professional results with ease. Efficiency is key, and Rust-Oleum delivers. This spray dries tack-free in just 20 to 40 minutes, and in 24 hours, it's ready for a top coat. Your projects move faster, and your results last longer. It's a win-win for anyone seeking durability and aesthetics in one package. Versatility is another hallmark of Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer. Thanks to its any-angle spray technology, you can apply it in any direction, even upside down. No awkward angles, no missed spots. Every inch of your metal surfaces receives the treatment they deserve. In essence, Rust-Oleum 248658 Rust Reformer Spray is your go-to solution for rusty metal surfaces. It converts rust, protects against future corrosion, and preps your surface for a flawless finish. It's efficiency, innovation, and reliability in one can, making it the undisputed #1 choice in our top 5 countdown. Equip yourself with Rust-Oleum and experience the transformation today. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling finishing products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.